mechanic was told to scam an elderly widow out of thousands of dollars. His job depended on it. Her car only needed a $50 repair, but management said she was his last chance to meet sales quotas before Christmas, sell unnecessary work worth thousands, or get fired. He looked at this grandmother counting crumpled bills from her purse. She trusted him completely. He could have lied, told her she needed a new transmission, new brakes, everything. Instead, he fixed what was actually broken, $50. Then he quietly warned her about the shop's tricks. When his boss found out, he was fired immediately, blacklisted from every chain shop in town. But that widow told everyone in her community about the honest mechanic who protected her. 6 months later, those referrals helped him open his own shop. Now he has a 2-month waiting list, premium rates, more money than his old corporate job ever paid. His coworkers thought he was crazy for giving up thousands in commissions. But integrity doesn't just pay once, it pays forever.